In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI agents with Make.com. AI agents are incredibly versatile tools that go beyond simply responding to prompts. They can handle a variety of tasks, from receiving inputs like emails and form responses to making decisions using AI models from services such as OpenAI or Anthropic, and even performing actions like sending emails or updating your CRM. The magic happens by chaining these steps into something called scenarios on Make.com. First, you'll need to set up a trigger that kicks off your agent's workflow. This could be a new email in Gmail, a form submission from services like Typeform or Google Forms, or even an event scheduled to run every X minutes or hours. For more advanced use cases, you might use a webhook to pull in custom data from your own application, whatever best suits your workflow. Once your trigger is set, the next step is to add an AI module. This is where you integrate the AI service of your choice. With options like OpenAI, DeepSeek AI, or Google Gemini AI, you have the flexibility to choose the model that best fits your needs. Additionally, Make.com allows you to connect to any other AI API using its HTTP module. When setting up your AI module, you define the system role to clarify what the agent should do, such as, you are a customer support assistant. You'll also need to map the user input from the trigger to ensure the agent has the necessary data to function, and adjust the model's settings like temperature or maximum tokens to fine-tune its performance. Moving forward, you'll define your agent's behaviors through logic. Make.com empowers you with filters, routers, and conditions, enabling your AI agent to take different paths based on the input it receives. For example, if a customer requests a refund, DeepSeek might generate an apology email complete with refund instructions, which can then be sent via Gmail. If a customer queries product information, the AI can pull the appropriate details from your database and send a precise reply. Consider scenarios where negative sentiments are detected and escalate them to a human agent on Slack to manage more complex interactions. Now, connect actions to your workflows for the final execution. These actions can involve sending responses via Gmail, Outlook, or Slack, saving data in Google Sheets, Airtable, or Notion, or even triggering another process via a webhook or API call. Before going live, it's crucial to test your AI agent. Run the scenario once in Make.com to see how it performs, reviewing logs and outputs. Make refinements where necessary, a process known as prompt engineering. Once you're satisfied with the performance, activate and scale your scenario so it runs continuously, either on a schedule or in response to real-time triggers. Keep an eye on your usage as well, since running AI models can incur costs depending on your provider. To wrap things up, consider some application examples like a customer support bot, a social media assistant, or a sales agent, each with its unique trigger, AI processing, and required actions. Pro tips include using consistent system prompts, storing conversation history to build memory, and testing edge cases to ensure robustness. Always leverage filters and conditions to avoid unexpected actions. This systematic approach will leave you with a powerful AI workflow that adds significant value to your operations.